Alright, how's it going, guys? Today we have a video on, is an updated video on the last video I've made for the text to speech. Many of you guys have been having some problems with binding, etc., and I'm going to cover all of that now. So for example, someone has said that they can't bind it and it doesn't work for them. There's many solutions, and let's just get right to it. So you click the first link in the description and it'll bring you to Isaiah Creative's website. This man is a coder and has coded text to speech and now has created things like where you can bind it to channel points and stuff like that. So if you click the first link, it'll bring you to his page and you'll sign in at the top as such, and then you go to your little icon, you click create a dashboard. You'll tick this box here. It will be unticked for you if it's for the first time. So you tick this box and click save settings. So like this, save settings. Then you'll come down to text to speech, adjust the volume and what you want. There is a text to speech in so many different languages. For example, Turkish, Swedish, Russian, Portuguese, Brazilian Portuguese, Polish, Dutch, Norwegian, Korean, Japanese, Italian, French, and the list goes on, as you can see. German, Danish, Welsh. It just keeps going. So there's a whole lot of different languages. So you just pick the one you want, and you'll put his the TTS voice name here. Adjust the volume and everything you want. Click save settings. Then you go bind TTS and then you'll bind it. Then you'll put up this, and if you've already got it set up, you could just bind it with this one, for example. So if you bind it to one of the channel points already created, I've got it to text to speech because I set it up. If you want to set it up, you'll just go here and you'll do manage rewards. Then you go manage rewards. Then you'll add new custom reward. You can name it text to speech, etc., and then require the viewer to enter text. When you've done that, and it will show up here. So it says binding and it's infinite. You just click here and then just write test, for example.
Test.
It shouldn't work at the first time, but I've got this bound to my thing anyways. So when it says success, text to speech bound, close. You click close, you click save settings again. Then there will be a link here. You will just copy this link as like so. I'm gonna blow this out. So you copy that link. Then you'll come to go to your OBS scenes. You click one of the ones you want. For example, I've got it already here on my stream one. But if I ever, for example, go on my YouTube one, I could click add source, browser source, bring this over, then click and name it TTS, for example, then bring this over, then paste this in here. Then, you know, just leave everything normal. Alright, leave everything else normal, then click OK. And now you got TTS set up. So let's say someone wanted to do text to speech. Hey, I am Panda, for example.
Hey, I am Panda.
It duplicated because I've got it on two things, two sources. So if I remove this one from the YouTube one, yes, and now if I do it again,
Hey, I am Panda.
That's it, and it's done. So that's all it is for TTS now. It's much simpler to do. You could do it right on the website. It's updated where there's many different languages. There is a filter. Here it is. The filter is right here. You could put in any words you want for it to ban. For example, here it is. It's showing you how to do it. And then obviously the auto mod is suggested to do it to block these words. Also using the filter. So this is the new updated text-to-speech. So like this is all it is. That's all it is, boys and girls, and whoever's watching this. Like, this is as easy as it's gonna get. Nothing more difficult now. It's all on one page. Obviously you could click this auto mod and it will take you to the page where you need to do your stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and it's been your boy Turkish Panda, and hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, your night, whatever you guys are up to. Happy streaming to all of you. Enjoy your streams while with TTS, and make sure you guys filter words you don't want. And as I was editing this, I've realized I forgot to say drop that like and that follow and that subscription. My links, Isaiah's links, my Discord and everything else would be in the description for you guys. It would be greatly appreciated if everyone drops a follow to me and Isaiah Creati, and that would be great. I stream every day, Monday to Sunday, 12 PM UK to 4. If anyone has any other problems, you can come catch me, catch Isaiah, come on my Discord or come to Isaiah's Discord. You could find us everywhere, from Twitch to Twitter to Instagram. You guys could find us everywhere. So have a great rest of your nights, day, stream, everything else you're doing. And it's been your boy. Peace out.